Hi all, welcome to our 10th standard maths. Let us continue with the arithmetic progressions. How many terms of the AP 9, 7, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? Solution. Here given first term is 9, common difference is second term minus first term, 17 minus 9, 8. We need to find here number of terms, n. We know that Sn is equal to sum of first n terms, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Here Sn given, Sn is equal to 636. 636 is equal to n by 2, 2 into a 9 plus n minus 1 d 8. n by 2, 2 9s are 18 plus 8n minus 8. 8n plus 8 plus 18 minus 8 plus 10 is equal to n by 2, or here take 2 common, 2 4s are 2 5s, here cancel 2 2, therefore 636 is equal to 4n square plus 5n, or 4n square. 636 is equal to 4n square plus 5, or 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation solved by the method of factorization by splitting the middle term 5n as a sum of two terms whose product is 636 into 4 n square. We can write 4n square minus 48n plus 53n minus 636 is equal to 0, or 4n n minus 12 plus 53 n minus 12 is equal to 0. Two factors are n minus 12, 4n minus plus 53 is equal to 0. That is n minus 12 is equal to 0, or 4n plus 53 is equal to 0, or value of n is equal to plus 12, or n is equal to minus 53 by 4. Since n must be a positive integer, therefore avoiding negative number, we get n is equal to 12. Since n should be a positive integer, therefore we get n is equal to 12. Let us consider next example. The first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45. And the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. Solution. Here first term is 5. Last term an or L is 45. And the sum is 400. Sn is 400. We need to find number of terms and common difference. We know that sum of first n terms is given by n by 2, first term plus last term. Sn is 400, n by 2, first term 5, last term 45. 45 plus 5, 50. 50, 2 ones are 2, 25s are 25 n is equal to 400, or n is equal to 400 by 25. 5 is a 5 8s are, again 5 1s are, 5 16s are. Therefore n value is 16. N is 16. Now we have to find nth term common difference. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An 45, a 5 plus 16 minus 1 into d. 5 plus 15 d. 45 minus 5, 40. 40 is equal to 15d. That is d is equal to 40 by 15. Common difference is 8 by 3. Let us solve one more example. The first and the last terms of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? Given here, given first term 17, last term 350 respectively. If the common difference D is 9, how many terms? N. Number of terms n and sum Sn is equal to how much? We need to find n and Sn. We know that nth term of an AP is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. 350 is equal to 17 plus n minus 1, d is 9. 17 plus 9n minus 9 plus 17 minus 9 plus 8 is equal to plus 8 plus 9 is equal to 350. That is 9n is equal to 350 minus 8. 350 minus 8, 342, or n is equal to 342 by 9. 9 ones are 9, 38. Therefore number of terms n is equal to 38. Now let us find Sn using the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 first term plus last term. N 38, 38 by 2 first term 17, last term 350. 2 ones are 2 nines are 19. 350 plus 17, 367. 367 into 19. 367, 3 7 9 6 6 9 7 3. For example, find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is 7 and 22nd term is 149. Here given sum of first we have to find. Here we need to find S22 is equal to how much? Common difference 7. A22 given 149. We can write A29 as A plus 22 minus 1 into D, 21D is equal to 149. Substitute in the place of D 7, 149. A plus 147 is equal to 149. 21 into 7, 147. That is A is equal to 149 minus 147. First term is 2. 149 minus 147, 2. First term is 2. Let us find S22. Sum of first 22 terms n by 2 using the formula n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n 22. Number of terms 22. A 2 plus 22 minus 1. D is 7. 11s are 11, 4, 22 minus 1, 21. 21 into 7, 21 into 7, 147. 147 plus 4, 151. 151 into 11, 1661. Sum of first 22 terms is 1661. One more example. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Solution. We need to find S51. Given second and third terms are second and third terms A2 and A3, 14 and 18 respectively. A2, A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus D is equal to 14. Let it be equation number 1. A3, A plus 3 minus 1 into D. A plus 2D. Equation number 2. Solving the pair of linear equations, we get equation 2 minus equation 1. We get A plus 2D is equal to 18. A plus D is equal to 14. Subtract D is equal to 18 minus 14, 4. Common difference is 4. Substitute D is equal to 4 in equation 1. A plus 4 is equal to 14. That is A is equal to 14 minus 4. 14 minus 4. First term is 10. First term is 10. Now let us find S51. S51 using the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. N 51 by 2, a 10 plus n is 51 minus 1, D is 4. 51 by 2, 2 tens are 20, 51 minus 1, 50. 50 into 4. 51 by 2, 20 plus 5 into 50 into 4, 200. 200 plus 20, 220. 2 ones are 10. 110. 51 into 110 is 5610. 5610. Therefore, sum of first 51 terms is 5610. Next example. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. Here given sum of first 7 terms Sn is 49. Sum of first 17 terms 289. We need to find number of terms. Using the formula, we know that Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. S17 is equal to S7 is equal to 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1 into D. 49. S7 is 49. 7 by 2, 2a plus 6d. 7 minus 1, 6, 6d. 7 by 2, 2 is common. A plus 3d. Here 49 by 7 is equal to a plus 3d. 7 ones are 7 sevens are, that is a plus 3d is equal to 7. Let it be equation number 1. Also we know that S17 is equal to 17 by 2, 2a plus 17 minus 1 into D. Using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S17 given 289. 17 by 2 2a plus 16d. 17 by 2 or 2a plus 8d. That is 289 by 17 is equal to a plus 8d. 17s are, or we can write a plus 8d is equal to 17. Equation number 2. Solve equations 1 and 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1, we get a plus 8d is equal to 17. A plus 3d is equal to 7. Subtract 8d plus 8d minus 3d plus 5d plus 17 minus 7 plus 10. The value of d is 10 by 5, that is d is equal to 2. Put the value of d is equal to 2 in 1. Put d is equal to 2 in equation 1. In equation 1. A plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7, or a is equal to 7 minus 6. 1. 7 minus 6. That is a is equal to 1. Now let us find number of terms n using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2 first term is 1 plus n minus 1 d is 2. Common difference is 2. That is n by 2 plus 2n minus 2. 2n minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 2. Therefore n square. Sn is equal to n square.